is at the Hotel EMC2.
Select floor group by pressing again. Select floor by pressing again. Elevator G on your left to floor 22.
Of course, it's going to take 10 years to get here.
Elevator G going up.
Oh,
Elevator G going up.
there's a robot. Look at that. Oh, he's coming in. He's coming in. What the heck? This is interesting. There's a robot riding with me. Hello. This is neat. We literally picked up a robot.
22nd floor.
That's a first for my videos.
Elevator
All right.
G going down.
Goodbye, robot. See you later. That's wild. All right. Here we are. To just actually, I'm going to do handicap mode.
Give floor number. Elevator B on your right to floor 3. Elevator B going down.
This one has blue. The elevator are labeled R, G, and B. And R has a red cab, or has the red mural. G has a green mural, and blue has this blue mural. Oh my god, I can't talk. This is a really cool hotel. This whole property is really cool.
Elevator B going down. Third floor.
Have a nice day. Thanks.
Elevator B going down.
There it goes. Yeah, look at this. This whole place is so cool. Anyway, that's it.